Master the magic of in with months, years, and seasons. Hello everyone, and welcome to our lesson on English language learning. Today, we are diving deep into the world of advanced vocabulary, collocations greater than common collocation patterns, preposition plus noun collocations. Specifically, we will be focusing on prepositions of time, with an extra emphasis on using in with months, years, and seasons. Are you ready? Let's get started. Before we jump into the specifics, let's briefly touch on prepositions of time. These are words that help us express when something happened, is happening, or will happen. We can use these prepositions to discuss specific days, months, years, seasons, and even parts of the day. Today, we'll zoom in on the preposition in, which is commonly used with months, years, and seasons. When we want to specify that something happened within a particular month, we use the preposition in. For example, I was born in July. This indicates that the event, the speaker's birth, occurred at some point during the month of July. Similarly, we use in to denote something that happened in a particular year. For instance, she graduated from college in 2020. This shows us that the graduation happened at some point during the year 2020. When it comes to seasons, the use of in helps specify the season during which an event happened. An example could be, we usually go on vacation in the summer. Here, in the summer, tells us the typical time of year that the speaker goes on vacation. A common mistake is using on or at instead of in when referring to months, years, and seasons. Remember, on is typically used for specific days or dates, while at is for precise times. So you'd say, I have a meeting at 3 p.m. on Friday, but my birthday is in October. And that's a wrap. Now you've mastered the usage of the preposition in with months, years, and seasons. This should help you sound more fluent and natural when you talk about time in English. Keep practicing these patterns, and soon they'll become second nature to you. Thank you for joining today's lesson, and we hope you found this helpful. Keep exploring, keep learning, and we'll see you in our next video. Goodbye.